Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and browser. If you use Android, Chrome supports fewer extensions than desktop, so install a Chromium-based browser like Kiwi when needed. Make sure your phone is updated and you have space. This prevents install failures. Once done, enable any required developer or desktop site modes, because some extensions need that environment to run. You'll save time and avoid errors by preparing these prerequisites before attempting to add an extension. Now you install and configure the extension. Open the browser's extensions or add-on page and either browse the Chrome Web Store or sideload a CRX file. If the store blocks installation, use the browser's developer mode to load the unpacked extension. Once installed, open the extension settings and sign in if required. Many features need an account. Make sure to review permissions and toggle options to match your privacy preferences, because excessive access can expose more data than you finish by testing the extension in real use. Try its main features on a few websites and confirm it behaves as intended. This proves integration with mobile browsing. If something breaks, disable other extensions first and clear the browser cache, because conflicts and stale files cause most issues. If problems persist, update or reinstall the extension. That resolves corrupted installs. Remember one key tip. Enable Developer Console or logs to capture error messages for deeper troubleshooting if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.